Hi, I'm contestant 8080 and today I'll be making sugar cookies and coffee cake. First, I'm making sugar cookies and I've already preheated my oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and I've already lined my baking sheet with parchment paper. Now I'm going to mix the dry ingredients. I'm going to whisk together 330 grams of flour, a teaspoon baking soda, a half a teaspoon baking powder, and then I'm going to set the dry mix aside. Now I'm going to cream the butter and sugar together. I'm going to cream 1 cup of softened unsalted butter and 300 grams of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Now I'm going to beat in the egg and vanilla. I'm going to beat in 1 egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract until it's combined into the butter-sugar mixture. Now I'm going to combine the wet and dry ingredients. I'm going to gradually add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients until the cookie dough forms. Now I'm going to chill the dough. I'm going to wrap the cookie dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for about 30 minutes. Now that the dough has chilled for about 30 minutes, I'm going to take portions of the dough and roll them into 1-inch balls and place them on the prepared baking sheet. Now I'm going to flatten the cookies using the bottom of a glass that I dipped in granulated sugar. Now I'm going to bake the cookies for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges start to turn golden brown. Now I'm going to start on the coffee cake. I've already preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and now I'm greasing and flouring a 9-inch round cake pan. Now I'm going to prepare the streusel topping. I'm going to combine 100 grams granulated sugar, 60 grams flour, and a teaspoon cinnamon. And then I'm going to add 4 tablespoons cold and diced unsalted butter and blend using a pastry cutter until the streusel topping is crumbly. Now I'm going to prepare the coffee cake batter. In a large mixing bowl, I'm going to whisk together 240 grams flour, 200 grams granulated sugar, a teaspoon baking powder, a half a teaspoon baking soda, and a half a teaspoon salt, and then set aside. In a separate bowl, I'm going to combine 240 milliliters of sour cream, 120 milliliters of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, and 2 teaspoons vanilla extract until combined. Now I'm going to combine the wet and dry ingredients by pouring the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stirring until combined. Now I'm going to assemble the coffee cake. I'm going to pour half of the coffee cake batter into the prepared baking pan, and then I'm going to sprinkle half of the streusel topping evenly over the batter. Then I'm going to repeat with the remaining batter and streusel topping. Now I'm going to use a knife to swirl the streusel into the batter for a marbled effect. Next, I'm going to bake the coffee cake for about 30 to 35 minutes or until golden brown, and then I'm going to allow the coffee cake to cool in the pan for about 15 to 20 minutes. After the coffee cake is cool, I'm going to transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely.